Let's have a look at the recurring post functionality within VirtusNova. Do note that the availability of this feature depends on which kind of subscription you have. Let's dive right into it. What we see over here is our scheduler in VirtusNova, where we can quickly identify which posts are recurring and which ones might only be regular posts. If we, for example, go into our drafts, edit one of our posts, no matter if you are setting up a completely new post from scratch or editing an already scheduled post, that you'll be able to determine in the schedule pop-up that I'm viewing over here at the bottom left that you would like to be repeating this post in the future. Before we dive into that, let's first select a time where we want this post to go live, and then now select and deep dive into the recurring posts bit of it. You can decide between different configurations on how you want your post to be recurring, starting at the top here, where you'll be deciding on whether or not you want to be repeating this post weekly, monthly, or even annually, and then also the gap between the posts if you want it to be every week or every 2 weeks, determining the posting day when you want this to go live during the week, and then also from when you want to start the post itself and repeat until either a specific date in the calendar or end after a specific occurrence. So here I'll go ahead and pop this down to 7 occurrences and then have the posts repeat every 2 weeks. Now I would go ahead and save this and confirm the schedule, and from this point onwards I can see that this additional post is within our calendar over here. Just to put it into contrast, we can also, of course, schedule a regular post somewhere along the line. Now you'll see the difference between a regular post, which I just highlighted, and the posts which are recurring.